Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about my 5 favorite Amazon Echo and Alexa features, so stay tuned. So if you are new to the Amazon environment, there are tons of features that go along with these Echo devices and the app. Also, to not set anyone's devices off, I will either be calling it Amazon instead of, or I will beep out using the word up there. So like I was saying, there are a lot of features with this device. Some of the simpler things are going to be setting timers and reminders, creating lists, doing the calling and messaging. We also have drop-ins and announcements, which is a pretty cool feature. But today I wanted to skip over all of that and just talk about my 5 favorite features with this device. So number 1 I have on my list is celebrity voiceovers. Yes, Amazon has announced that Samuel L. Jackson is going to be its first celebrity voiceover. So you can actually replace the voice with a celebrity now. As of right now, Samuel L. Jackson is going to be coming out by the end of this year, and they said that there are going to be more celebrities to come. One caveat with this is that you do have to pay for it. They said right now for the Samuel L. Jackson one, that is going to be 99 cents. But every additional celebrity after that is going to be $5. With this feature here, you can also set up whether you want your Samuel L. Jackson to have explicit language or to turn that feature off. But this is an exciting new thing that I will definitely be getting when it comes out. Number 2 on the list is controlling smart home devices. Now, through the Echo devices here, you can control things like smart switches and lights, thermostats, to robot vacuums. There is a huge list of things that are all compatible with these Echo devices. And in addition to controlling them all individually, you can set these up in groups too. So if you want to set up a kitchen group, a bedroom group, garage, backyard, you can then control all of these things by just mentioning the group name. For example, turn on lights in kitchen. Instead of having to individually ask for each individual light, now you can just specify kitchen, bedroom, garage, and it will turn on all the lights in there or turn off all the lights in there. Same thing if you have a TV that you want to control or smart switches. If you have a device like this in that group, then you only have to specify the name of that device. For example, if I want to turn on lights, if this device is, say, in the bedroom group, and I say turn on lights, it knows to turn on the lights in its own group. It's only when I specify a different group name will it control whatever item that is outside of its group. So groups are a very cool thing to set up, and I would highly recommend you guys doing that. Number 3 on the list is routines. So routines is something within the environment that allows you to use a phrase that will control multiple things. For example, in my daughter's bedroom, I have a routine set up that is specific for her bedroom only, that when you're in her bedroom and you say good night, it will turn on her fan, it will turn on a nightlight, it will start playing lullabies for 1 hour. So that is a routine that we had set up. Another routine that you can do is you can set it up to where, say you have an alarm going off in your device in the morning. You can have a routine set up that when you turn off or disable that alarm, it will automatically start playing a news briefing, then it'll give you the weather and a traffic report. So these are different things that you can do with routines. The options are limitless. You can do so many things with it, but those are just a couple examples of what I use them for. Number 4 on the list is that you can listen to music, and not just through the Amazon Prime Music, but you can connect accounts like Spotify, Pandora, iHeartRadio, SiriusXM to listen to anything that you want to. But in addition to those, you can also listen to radio stations. So if you have a local radio station that you like listening to, chances are you're going to be able to listen to that station through these devices by just asking Echo to play that station for you. Another thing that you're able to do is you're able to listen to podcasts and audiobooks on here too. So there are lots of ways to get different music and audio streaming services to play through these devices. And lastly, number 5 on the list is multi-room audio. What that allows you to do is it allows you to play audio on multiple devices, whether that be in your house, in a specific room, a specific area. You can essentially get a stereo sound by having several of these playing. What you can do is you can set up different groups for this to play in. So for example, if I wanted it to play music throughout the entire house, I can request it to play music everywhere. If I want it to be in a certain room, I can say play music in the office or play music in the bedroom, and it'll specify it in there. You can also then ask Echo to turn the volume up and down. And when it does that, it's going to do that on all the devices. All the devices will go up, all the devices will go down. So there's a lot of cool features with this. It's something that I've just started using recently, and I've been really happy with it. Well, everyone, those are my 5 favorite features in the Amazon environment. But I'm curious what you guys use it for. Leave a comment below and let me know some things that I missed and that you want to share with the community. If this video is helpful for you at all, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video.